Did you know that 108 million Nigerians are estimated to be homeless? To solve this, Nigeria needs to build about 700,000 housing units every year. But the country barely built 100,000. The recent collapse of buildings in Lagos Island means that engineers must innovate to develop solid structures in large numbers to meet the growing demands in the country.
In building construction in Nigeria's commercial capital Lagos, there is a new innovation that is set to redefine how buildings are constructed, particularly now when the incidence of building collapse is getting more and more prevalent.
Polystyrene in building construction is seen as having immense potentials.
It's called expanded polystyrene structures. We have used polystyrene materials to form wall panels, floor panels, and used to construct the claddings for our buildings as well as the suspended floor slabs. What do we do is that, for the floors, we have the polystyrene forming the hollow part within the ribs onto which we put steel and then pour concrete. Now in the walls, which is something you can see the naked wall panels here, the polystyrene forming the fills in between the mesh. The mesh is galvanized steel just to reduce the possibility of rusting. Now we spray concrete onto this and then it gives you a wall with two sides in reinforced concrete. Hence and therefore you have a reinforced concrete wall with a polystyrene filled core. What that does for us is that first of all, the polystyrene itself is very lightweight, so reduce the weight on the building. Secondly, by the time you have a concrete wall on both sides, a first concrete wall on both sides, it increases the strength of the building.
Polystyrene EPS. It's a material that has so many benefits when it comes to project delivery in the construction industry.
Innovation and technology, the engineers say, is what is needed to bring down the housing deficit in Nigeria.
The record is that we have about 17 to 20 million housing deficit. This is one opportunity for us to be able to go as much as possible to reduce our housing deficit.
The state, even the federal governments, should adopt this type of method to produce mass buildings for the populace.
It's a new product in this part of the world, so it has not really been put, to regular use, except in a few places. So it is early days to start saying it can withstand the test of time or otherwise.
A few years ago, the federal government said mass housing projects were ongoing in 33 states of the country. But since then, not much has been heard or seen of the houses. Polystyrene may just be part of the solution. Chooks Otuya for Engineering Today.